taking advantage of early Saturday morning with no traffic. Of course, it's COVID-19 times. Not much happening this early in the morning, and it's just a glorious day. Fun to see how hot it does get, because it's only the 3rd of October. Check our Kmart, it's gone. You can just see the remnants of the old sign there. Bit of a disaster zone at the moment. What do you think of life in Bairnsdale, Jenny, under COVID-19?
Life in Bairnsdale with COVID-19 is very good, actually.
We're outside the picture theatre, and the railway station over there. This is not the main street, it's the next one over.
The Aboriginal Co-op, the picture
Co-op's
theatre,
over there.
the Sun Cinema.
Sun Cinema. Got some great shots of the township this morning, just walking around. Some of the really nice buildings that we have here. Not so nice that way. But there's a really good one coming up. The Grand Terminus Hotel, established 1889. Of course, everything's very quiet, even of an evening here, compared to what it would be in normal times. Don't see too many public phones these days. A rotunda. Let's go up the stairs and have a bit of a look. What do you think, Jenny?
Good lookout.
Gardens both ways. Traffic each side of the road. This is the main road, or the Princess Highway, going through the centre of town. Catholic Church way up there. Water tower's out of sight. Can't see the water tower, no. It's behind the trees. Wow.